Hey guys, what's up? It's another day today. Today is on the 19th of June, 2023, and I want to give you an analysis for today. So let's start with the Euro USD. See what kind of movement that thing has. So on the Euro USD, I'm kind of looking for this value gap. You can see how price hit this OB weekly, stayed inside that fair value gap. These are fair value gap on the weekly. The bodies did not clear, did not go above that fair value gap. And currently, we are now looking to fill all these fair value gap. I want you to see all that. So I'm guessing price will find some support here on this fair value gap, but I'm looking for, much of this fair value gap to be filled up to this main threshold of it. Maybe then we can move higher. But for now, we have this stumbling block on the weekly. And yeah, so as you can see on the monthly chart, things are a little bit different. If you are to take this as the OB monthly and price wants to clear this low, it would have to do so if there is a confirmation on the daily time frame that price wants to go lower. And as for now, price on the monthly chart would not go and clear that low, not unless we clear this high, this low here, right here, this order block 1 hour, unless daily chart, unless we form a bearish order block daily from this, then we'd aim for the low down here. But as for now, so I'm looking for the mean threshold of this, maybe this area, the bullish breaker daily. We have that bullish breaker day, and it's the main threshold of this, and the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. And maybe price will find support there, or maybe not. Maybe it will come lower down here. There's still a bullish breaker up here. Who knows? But I'm thinking here, mostly here. So that's what I'm looking for the Euro USD. And the kind of confirmation that we got that we are going lower was on the 4-hour chart. We tapped on the OB weekly. This is an OB weekly. This is an OB weekly chart, order block, this level, and we confirmed it with a bearish order block weekly, as you can see there. And you can see how many times price tapped into this thing, this order block. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, and now we have cleared that low. Maybe we'll continue moving lower. And today being a US bank holiday, it's the June 10th in the US. So I'm not expecting much of a movement in the currencies, especially the dollar paired currencies, this which includes the euro. I'm not expecting much movement, but price can still move, can still do what it wants. So the reason why it's not advisable to trade when there is a bank holiday is this. Observe this thing. If you had entered on the first confirmation, that was on Friday 16th June, that price that we tapped into the bearish OB 4 hour, and that price wants to go lower. First confirmation was this order block 15 minutes, and you can see the first confirmation. We did get that nice reaction, but look at what it did. It came and cleared these stops up here, the buy stops, and then went lower, came back again. Now we formed this as the order block, as the confirmation that we want to go lower, and tapped it once, tapped it again. The first time we cleared the stops up here. The second time we did not. The second time, yeah, we came down. The third time here, we tried to clear it and we went down from there. So you can see the kind of consolidating price action that nobody wants to get caught up in, because it's so frustrating. But with this law in mind, you'd have held all that. If you had your stop above 455, 50 points above that, it should be around 500. You'd not have been got, you wouldn't have been cleared. So yeah, I should have got into that trade, but it's a US bank holiday, so nah, I wouldn't want to do that. So yeah, that's for the EURUSD. So let's check out the dollar, the DXY. As most of you know, that we use the dollar to gauge what the other currencies will do. It depends on the dollar most of the times, especially the dollar paired currencies. If you do ICT concepts, you hear much of that. So this is on the weekly chart on the DXY. We are kind of looking for this fair value gap to be filled. But as you can see here, we had a bullish fair value gap weekly. I'm expecting that to be an inverted fair value gap. And price might hit the mean threshold of it and then move down from there. So yeah, so right now we are aiming for that, and we can maybe even tap here, but we have this resistance right here on the OB weekly. We might clear that. We might get up to that level. Yeah. But anyway, that's what I'm looking for. Let's look on the monthly chart, what price is doing. So on the monthly chart, we just see the mean threshold of this OB monthly, and we are kind of seeing a reaction from that. If we can get a reaction up to the daily, with a confirmation on the daily chart that price wants to go higher, you should have to clear this high, this 102,990 high, or maybe form another block within here, within this OB, and push prices higher. But as for now, we're still bearish. We're looking for this to be filled, this fair value gap, and move down. So guys, yeah, so I guess that's my analysis for this week. So on the 4-hour chart, let's have a look at that. On the 4-hour chart, we have this order block, but we had this one also, and price came here and reacted positively towards it. So yeah, we're kind of looking up to this high, and then we move lower, or we clear it and we move higher. So guys, that's my analysis for the week. So I'll keep you updated in case anything else comes up. Ciao. Have a nice trading week.